Hello and welcome. Today, I want to immerse you in a book that changed how millions of people see the universe and their place within it. Carl Sagan's Cosmos. This isn't just a science textbook. It's a profound odyssey that invites you to rethink everything you thought you knew about existence. At over 700 pages, it's a substantial read, but its poetic prose and breathtaking scope will pull you in, making you want to return to its pages again and again. Let's embark on this cosmic journey, chapter by chapter, uncovering some of the most astonishing ideas this book presents. Our journey begins with Chapter 1, The Shores of the Cosmic Ocean. Imagine standing on a vast beach with an endless ocean stretching before you. That ocean is the cosmos, and we've only just dipped our toes. It's truly mind-boggling to grasp its scale. There are approximately 100 billion galaxies, and each of those contains, on average, 100 billion stars. To put our entire cosmic history into perspective, the book compresses the universe's 13.8 billion year existence into a single cosmic calendar year. Here's the astonishing part. The Big Bang happens on January 1st. Our solar system forms in September, dinosaurs roam around Christmas Day, and all of recorded human history, from our first civilizations to modern science, unfolds in the last mere seconds of December 31st. This incredible compression of time highlights our infinitesimally brief, yet utterly precious existence within the grand cosmic sweep. It makes you wonder, if the universe is this vast, is it truly possible that we are alone? The book suggests it would be a great waste of space to think so, implying the universe is likely teeming with life. Next, we dive into Chapter 2, which delves into the intricate story of life's origin and evolution. What's truly astonishing is how life on Earth began. Simple building blocks came together, capable of self-replication, metabolism, and forming boundaries like cell membranes. But here's a surprising twist. Oxygen, which we now depend on for life, was initially a deadly poison to early microbes. Life had to evolve remarkable resistance, and then clever ways to utilize this toxic gas for energy, leading to what's been called the oxygen catastrophe for many ancient life forms. The book also draws fascinating parallels between humanity's selective breeding of plants and animals, like our ancestors transforming tiny wild corn into the large, sweet ears we enjoy today, and the grander process of natural selection that shaped all life on Earth. In Chapter 3, The Harmony of Worlds, we meet Johannes Kepler, a brilliant yet eccentric scientist who believed planets sang celestial harmonies. He tirelessly sought the underlying mathematical music of the universe. What's often overlooked is his stubborn adherence to the ancient, elegant idea of perfect circular orbits, even when his own meticulous data screamed otherwise. It took him years to finally accept the astonishing truth. Planets move in ellipses, not perfect circles. This was a radical break from millennia of thought about celestial perfection and paved the way for Isaac Newton's groundbreaking laws of motion and universal gravitation, showcasing how science often advances by letting go of cherished but incorrect assumptions. Our journey then takes us to Chapter 4, Heaven and Hell, focusing on our planetary neighbor, Venus. It's often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and mass. But what a terrifying sibling it is. Its surface is a scorching 450 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, shrouded in a dense carbon dioxide atmosphere. Venus serves as a chilling example of a runaway greenhouse effect, a powerful, undeniable warning about the climate challenges facing our own fragile Earth. It's a sobering reminder of how easily a planet's environment can tip into a hellish state. Chapter 5, Blues for a Red Planet, takes us to Mars, humanity's enduring hope for extraterrestrial life. When the Viking landers touched down in 1976, what was truly surprising was the reaction. Reporters were initially disappointed when the Martian sky wasn't blue like Earth's, but a pinkish yellow. The images revealed desolate, rocky landscapes similar to Earth's deserts, challenging popular fantasies of canals built by intelligent Martians. While no macroscopic life was found, the book explains that if life exists, it's most likely microscopic, perhaps hidden deep within rocks. The audacity of terraforming Mars, the dream of transforming it into a habitable world for humans, is also explored, a testament to our species' boundless ambition. Moving further out, Chapter 6, Traveler's Tales, recounts the incredible journey of the Voyager spacecrafts. These robotic explorers, still traveling beyond our solar system, carry a unique message from humanity: the Golden Records. These gold-plated copper discs contain sounds and images designed to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth, including a greeting in Korean, "Annyeonghaseyo." It's an astounding act of cosmic communication, but perhaps the most iconic and humbling outcome of the Voyager mission is the pale blue dot photograph, taken from billions of miles away. It shows Earth as a tiny, faint blue pixel suspended in a sunbeam, a powerful reminder of our planet's fragility and our shared responsibility. Then we journey back in time to Chapter 7, The Backbone of Night, which explores the birth of science in ancient Greece. What's truly astonishing is that around 2,000 years before Copernicus, the astronomer Aristarchus of Samos already proposed that Earth revolved around the sun and that stars were incredibly distant. This profound truth was once known, but then tragically lost. The book laments the destruction of the great library of Alexandria, a beacon of knowledge that sought to systematically collect all the world's wisdom, as an immense loss that delayed human progress by centuries. Imagine how much further we could be if that knowledge hadn't been forgotten. In Chapter 8, we delve into Journeys in Space and Time, exploring the revolutionary ideas of Einstein and Stephen Hawking. It's often surprising to realize that space and time aren't separate, fixed entities, but are deeply intertwined, forming a flexible space-time fabric. And perhaps even more astounding is Stephen Hawking's idea that black holes, those cosmic devourers, aren't just traps for light, but also emit a faint glow, now known as Hawking radiation. This chapter showcases how great scientific minds like Newton, Einstein, and Hawking fundamentally changed our understanding by unifying seemingly disparate concepts of the universe. Chapter 9, The Lives of the Stars, reveals one of the most beautiful and profound scientific facts. We are literally made of star stuff. The book explains that all elements heavier than hydrogen and some helium were forged in the hearts of stars. When these stars die, particularly in spectacular supernova explosions, they scatter these heavy elements across the cosmos, seeding new generations of stars, planets, and even life. It's truly astonishing to realize that the carbon in your body, the oxygen you breathe, and the iron in your blood all originated from ancient exploding stars that lived and died billions of years ago. Chapter 10, The Edge of Forever, takes us to the frontiers of philosophical cosmology. It tackles the mind-bending questions of whether the universe has a center or an edge. The book suggests that just as a two-dimensional surface of a sphere has no center on itself, our three-dimensional universe might also lack a definable center or boundary. But perhaps the most intriguing idea presented is that of nesting universes. The possibility that subatomic particles could be entire universes, and our own universe might be a subatomic particle within a larger one. This truly pushes the boundaries of imagination, inviting us to consider infinite layers of existence. Chapter 11, The Cosmic Connection, looks to the future, envisioning humanity's aspirations for space travel and confronting the potential environmental challenges facing Earth. While the idea of faster-than-light travel might seem like science fiction, the book explores the theoretical possibility of warp drives, though it notes the extraordinary hurdle of requiring negative energy, something we haven't yet discovered. It also highlights the baffling discovery that the universe's expansion is not slowing down but accelerating, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. And when contemplating future encounters with advanced alien civilizations, the book offers a sobering thought. If they're capable of interstellar travel, they're likely so far beyond us technologically that they probably wouldn't even bother enslaving us, reinforcing our humble place in the cosmos. Chapter 12, Encyclopedia Galactica, further expands our understanding of cosmic scales and the potential for life beyond Earth. It describes galaxies not as static, rigid structures, but as dynamic, fluid structures of billions of stars, constantly evolving and interacting over vast cosmic timescales. The book subtly suggests that if intelligent life exists elsewhere, they would likely be searching for artificial signals, patterns that couldn't arise naturally, as a clear sign of another civilization. Finally, we arrive at chapter 13, Who Speaks for Earth? This concluding chapter encapsulates Carl Sagan's deepest vision, one he championed even during his battle with illness. He passionately argues that understanding the cosmos is essential for understanding ourselves, leading to a profound love for Earth and a sense of global responsibility. The book urges us to embrace humility, recognizing that while we are just stardust on a tiny, precious dot in the vastness of space, we are also astonishing beings capable of perceiving and even changing the cosmos. Ultimately, it's a powerful call to practical humanism, encouraging us to cherish our unique home, act with kindness towards one another, and continue our endless exploration of the universe with wonder and responsibility. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey through Cosmos. I hope it sparks your own curiosity and wonder about the incredible universe we inhabit,